My name is Nicola Smith, and I'm a Libra Aero postdoctoral fellow at the Institute for Oceans and Fisheries here at the University of British Columbia. Currently, we don't know the full greenhouse gas emissions for the oceans, for the ocean economic sectors in Canada. So although we cover some sectors very well, like marine shipping and offshore oil and gas extraction, other sectors such as fisheries and aquaculture are missing from this puzzle. We're working with people across academia, governments, environmental, non-governmental organizations, and Indigenous groups to basically calculate and figure out the greenhouse gas emissions for the ocean sectors in Canada, as well as to find out ways to offset these emissions to help put Canada on the path to net zero emissions by 2050. Once you've calculated the greenhouse gas emissions and we know the offset strategies that are in play, what we're doing is we're creating different portfolios, so different combinations of these mitigation or offset strategies based on different priorities such as economic, financial, or legal priorities, and creating a package that the government can use. Some strategies, for instance, give us money when we implement them, for instance, like marine renewable energies, but other strategies require us to put money in order to get to net zero, such as carbon capture and storage methods. And so the government can say, well, maybe we'll put one big strategy that offsets lots of carbon but requires a lot of money, or we're going to do many smaller strategies that actually give us money but are going to require many different ones in order to come up with the same offset quantity. So what's really challenging about getting everyone together to work on this project is that we're coming from all different sectors and different levels of different expertise areas. And so everyone's coming with a different language. Well, this problem is enormous and it requires all hands on deck to solve it. And the great thing about having a collaborative effort is that different groups bring different values and different perspectives to the table. And we want to make sure that the solution reflects the diversity of values and perspectives that make up Canada.